हेलो गाइस, आप सभी का वेलकम है मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग 20 एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। एक क्वेश्चन मैं पढ़ूंगा, उसके बाद 5 सेकंड के लिए मैं पॉज करूंगा, उसमें आप आंसर सोच लीजिएगा, फिर उसके बाद मैं आपको आंसर बता दूंगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। टोटल 20 क्वेश्चन हम कवर करेंगे, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजिक ऑटोनॉमी फॉर इंडिया एज डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द सोर्सेज? ऑप्शन है ए, complete isolation from global affairs to focus on domestic growth. B, a policy of aligning with the United States to counter China. C, the freedom to make sovereign choices in foreign policy and defense without being tied down by alliance obligation. D, a commitment to lead the non-aligned movement in its original form. आंसर है सी, the freedom to make sovereign choices in foreign policy and defense without being tied down by alliance obligation. Next question. Which of the following is not listed as a historical root of India's strategic autonomy? Option है A, the experience of colonial subjection. B, the formation of the Quad alliance with the US, Japan and Australia. C, the constitutional ethos derived from the freedom struggle. D, the non-alignment movement championed by Nehru. आंसर है बी, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द क्वाड अलायंस with the US, Japan and Australia. Next question. According to the sources, what is the key feature of the French semi-presidential system? Option है A, the president is solely responsible for domestic policy. B, it has a single executive similar to the UK's parliamentary system. C, it features a dual executive with a directly elected president and a prime minister responsible to parliament. B, the prime minister can dissolve the national assembly without the president consent. आंसर है सी, it features a dual executive with a directly elected president and a prime minister responsible to parliament. Next question. What happens if the prime minister and cabinet lost a vote of confidence in France? Option है A, the entire government including the president must resign. B, the president must dissolve the National Assembly and call for new election immediately. C, the prime minister and cabinet resign but the president remain in office. D, the bill tied to the confidence vote is automatically voted by the president. Voted नहीं, vetoed by the president. आंसर है सी, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड कैबिनेट रिजाइन बट द प्रेसिडेंट रिमेन इन ऑफिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द अग्निकार 2025 कैंपेन इज एन आउटरीच इनिशिएटिव प्राइमरीली अंडर विच गवर्नमेंट स्कीम? ऑप्शन है ए, द सागरमाला प्रोग्राम. बी, आत्मनिर्भर भारत. सी, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना अर्बन 2.0. डी, विकसित भारत 2047 मिशन. आंसर है सी, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना अर्बन 2.0. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द फेनोमिना ऑफ अ ब्लड मून? ऑप्शन है ए, अ पार्शियल सोलर इक्लिप्स वेयर द सन अपीयर्स रेडिश. बी, अ टोटल लूनर इक्लिप्स वेयर द मून अपीयर्स रेडिश ड्यू टू लाइट रिफ्रैक्टेड थ्रू अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर. सी, a rare alignment of Mars and the Moon causing a red reflection. D, a meteor shower that leaves a red trail in the sky. ऑप्शन आंसर है बी, a total lunar eclipse where the moon appears reddish due to light refracted through earth atmosphere. Next question. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birth anniversary is celebrated as Teachers Day, served in which two prominent political roles? ऑप्शन है ए फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट एंड सेकंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, बी सेकंड प्रेसिडेंट एंड फर्स्ट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, सी एम्बेसडर टू द यूएसए एंड स्पीकर टू द लोकसभा, डी गवर्नर ऑफ मद्रास एंड होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. आंसर है बी सेकंड प्रेसिडेंट एंड फर्स्ट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर हैज इंडियाज फर्स्ट पोर्ट बेस्ड ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन पायलट प्रोजेक्ट बिन इनॉग्रेटेड? ऑप्शन है ए कंडला पोर्ट गुजरात, बी वीओ चिदम्बरनार पोर्ट तमिलनाडु, सी जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोर्ट महाराष्ट्र, डी पोर्ट ऑफ कोलकाता वेस्ट बंगाल. आंसर है बी वीओ चिदम्बरनार पोर्ट तमिलनाडु. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी पर्सपेक्टिव एंड कैपेबिलिटी रोड मैप? ऑप्शन है ए to outline a 15-year plan for civilian technology export, B to act as a guide for Indian industry on the future technology and capability requirement of the armed forces, C to create a roadmap for reducing the size of Indian military, D to establish new military alliance with Western powers. आंसर है B to act as a guide for Indian industry on the future technology and capability requirements of the armed forces. Next question. What is acantha amoeba? Acantha amoeba है ना? What is acantha amoeba which has caused health concern in Kerala? Option है A a type of bacteria found exclusively in salt water that causes skin infection, B a virus transmitted by mosquitoes that lead to encephalitis, C a free living protozoa parasites found in soil and water that can cause serious eye and brain infection, D a fungal infection that primarily affects agricultural crops. आंसर है सी a free living protozoa parasite found in soil and water that can cause serious eye and brain infection. Next question. Geographically where is Mauritius located? Option है A in the Atlantic Ocean west of Africa, B in the Pacific Ocean near the Philippines, C in the Mediterranean Sea south of Italy, D in the Indian Ocean about 800 km east of Madagascar. आंसर है D in the Indian Ocean about 800 km east of Madagascar. Next question. The Rajasthan Coaching Centers Control and Regulation Bill 2025 includes which of the following provisions? Option है A mandating a minimum of 8 hours of coaching per day, B banning all coaching center with fewer than 100 students, C requiring mandatory registration, providing counseling support and imposing heavy fines for violation, D allowing coaching centers to make promises about ranks and marks in their advertisement. आंसर है C requiring mandatory registration, providing counseling support and imposing heavy fines for violation. Next question. In the Indian parliamentary system, a no confidence motion requires what kind of majority to pass in the Lok Sabha? Option है A. An absolute majority of the total members of the House. B. A two-third majority of members present and voting. C. A simple majority of members present and voting. D. A unanimous vote for all opposition parties. आंसर है सी, अ सिंपल मेजॉरिटी ऑफ मेंबर्स प्रेजेंट एंड वोटिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What scientific process is responsible for the reddish color of a blood moon? Option है A. Rayleigh scattering, where Earth's atmosphere filters out blue light and refracts red light onto the moon. B. The Doppler effect caused by the moon moving away from Earth. C. Magnetic resonance imaging of Earth core. D. Reflection of light from Mars during a planetary alignment. आंसर है A. Rayleigh scattering, where Earth's atmosphere filters out blue light and reflects red light onto the moon. Next question. Which of this is not mentioned as an opportunity for India's strategic autonomy? Option है A. Acting as a bridge builder between the global south and developed nation. B. Leveraging defense indigenization through Atmanirbhar Bharat. C. Forming a permanent military alliance with either the US or Russia. D. Using soft power and technology diplomacy to build resilience. Answer है C. Forming a permanent military alliance with either the US or Russia. Next question. The V.O. Chidambarar port, formerly known as Tuticorin port, is located in which coast? Option है A. The Malabar coast of the Arabian Sea. B. The Konkan coast of the Arabian Sea. C. The Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. D. The coastline of the Andaman Island. Answer है C. The Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Next question. The French Constitution allowed the Prime Minister to tie a bill's passage to a vote of confidence using which specific article? Option है A. Article 16. B. Article 75(3). C. Article 49(3). D. Rule 198. आंसर है C. Article 49(3). Next question. Which of the following advanced weapon system is listed under the TPCR 2025 for the Indian Air Force? Option है A. 1800 future ready combat vehicles. B. A next generation aircraft carrier with EMALS. C. Directed energy weapon and stealth bomber drones. D. Autonomous underwater vehicles. आंसर है C. Directed energy weapons and stealth bomber drones. Next question. What is a key difference in the impact of a lost confidence vote between India and France? Option है A. In India, only the Prime Minister resigned, while in France, the entire government, including the President, resigns. B. In France, the President is unaffected, whereas in India, the entire Council of Ministers must resign. C. In India, a lost vote leads to a cohabitation government, which is not possible in France. D. A lost confidence vote has the exact same consequences in both countries. आंसर है बी. In France, the president is unaffected, whereas in India, the entire council of ministers must resign. Next question. एकांथ अमीबा केराटिटिड्स, ठीक है. एकांथा मोइबा केराटिटिड्स is a serious infection affecting which part of the body? ऑप्शन है A. the brain, B. the skin, C. the lungs, D. the eye. आंसर है D. the eye. तो बस इस वीडियो में इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.